Hello friends, I hope everyone is well. Welcome to our everyday rare weather news. Tropical Storm Mawar intensified in Japan on Friday, June 3, 2023. The storm had sustained winds of up to 82 km per hour, and was moving east-northeast at 25 km per hour southwest of Tokyo. The storm was expected to bring heavy rains to parts of western and central Japan, with up to 25 centimeters of rain forecast over the 24 hours through Saturday morning. Residents in vulnerable areas were warned of the potential for flooding and mudslides and advised to go to evacuation centers if possible. As of Friday afternoon, there were no reports of major damage or injuries from the storm. However, there were some disruptions to travel and transportation. For example, some trains were cancelled and ferry operations in Tokyo Bay were halted. The storm is expected to weaken as it moves further inland, but it is still expected to bring heavy rains to parts of Japan. Residents are advised to stay safe and follow the instructions of local authorities. Stay indoors if possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video.